All right, here I am with Allison from Cheeky Sleeper. We're looking at how to add your MailChimp sign-up link, maybe one of your many MailChimp landing page links to your survey. So we're going to go into this survey. Oh, I could have just clicked on it. It was already there. This one here. And we're going to add a little blurb at the end. You definitely want to mention it at the beginning too. So click Design Your Survey over here. And you want to add it into this intro paragraph. So for example, we're going to want to say, so here it says, thank you for helping me provide you with sleep solutions and education programs will best suit your needs and lifestyle. Your thank you gift, or how do we want to say this, Allison?
Your ticket.
Yes.
Your ticket to my top 3 ways to improve your sleep.
To my upcoming webinar, top 3 ways to improve. Can I make it 5?
Yes.
Top 5 ways to improve. I like 5s. Your sleep. I like 5s and 7s. Sleep. And we're going to put in brackets $49 value.
And it's August, whatever. The August.
Is, yeah, right. Is at the end of the survey, for example. So whatever you're giving them away for free, entice them with it here in this intro paragraph. So we've got, we only got 2 questions here because we were just playing with this. But what we would do is we would add some text. So we're not clicking this new question button. What we're doing is we're clicking this little down arrow to the right. They are 2 separate buttons, which is super weird and not the best, but now you know. We're going to add some text. So here we're just going to say, click here to get your free ticket to my webinar on August, we'll just say 15th, for example. What was the title of it again?
Top 5 ways to improve your sleep.
Top 5 ways to improve your sleep. And we're going to grab this text here that says click here. We're going to highlight it. We're going to click the link. This is where you embed your MailChimp landing page link. And then you hit apply. And then you would make it bold and underline it too. So bold and underline, and it's a link. And then you're good to go. Can we actually change the size of the text here? I don't think so. Unfortunately, I don't think we can make the text bigger. Advanced editor. Ooh, we can. Okay, so make it massive. I didn't even know this. So make it massive because you really want it to pop. I would even change the color of the text. Ooh, you can even insert an image here too. No, you can't. This is with, this isn't what we want to do. Anywho, if you want to learn how to add an image, this image that you can see right here, you can watch that YouTube video. It's available too. So yeah, so that's how you're going to do it. So once they've finished your survey, they can click there. Now, the other thing you want to do, where's the thing to select open in a new window? Right here. So it's automatically going to open. Thanks, garbage truck, for driving by right now. It's going to open in a new window. So if they, for example, forget to hit submit or done or whatever at the end of your survey, they can always come back and do that after they've popped over to register for your event. Does that make sense?
Here it is.
Did I leave anything out? Do you have any other questions?
No, I think that was my biggest question, was how do we incorporate the survey with the mailing list stuff?
Cool. Okay, go follow Allison on Instagram at Cheeky Sleeper. Bye for now.